Hey friends, Melinda here. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I post weekly workouts so that you can stay strong, fit, and fierce with me each and every week. If you're new here, make sure that you consider subscribing. Today's spicy dance cardio workout comes from our Fit for Fall workout series. Now we know with fall comes everything spice. Pumpkin spice, apple cinnamon spice, spicy chai lattes, spicy chili, and the list goes on. Now, I know, I just named off several food items, but that's why I'm bringing you this hot dance cardio workout so that we can find a healthy balance within our lifestyle if we might happen to indulge in those fall items. Now, if you love this workout, I want you to click that like button below and show me some burning love. Now, let's get ready to move that body. All right, guys, we are going to get started with our dance cardio workout. We're moving those hips, press, out. Now tempo. Go right, go left, right, left. We are going to start to move those arms. Here we go. We push it up and down and lift and lower. Go 8 and 7 and 6 in 5. In 4 and 3 and 2. Last one, shoulder rolls, go up and around. Big shoulders, lift and reverse it. Go 4 and 3 and 2. Last one, triple pulse and pulse and pulse. Lengthen up and reach. Reach all the way down, back to center. Give me that high diagonal arm. Press and lift. Scoop that belly in. Press and in. Now single count. Push. Use that oblique to lift you back up. In 4 and 3 and 2. Triple press. Go pulse and pulse and pulse. And reach. So think of this as a standing abdominal crunch. Push it away. Again, go in and in and in. Push it away. Really opening through the chest here as well as the back. Single. Palm it out. Go single. Push in, out. Press it for 4 and 3 and 2. Last one, low lunge, in and out. So deep lunge, or you can go shallow if you need to modify today. In, reverse it, take it down, push, reach. Inhale, exhale, in 4 and 3 and 2. Press, second position, push, sweep it down. We take it, pump, chest lifted or reach. Take it down. Again, go push and push, sweep it down. Last one like this. Press, push, reach. Go hip and hip. Circle it around. Really move. And in and press. Up and around. We take it right to left. In 4, 3, 2, a little bit quicker, 8 and 7. We are going to get started off with a side touch to the right. In 4, 3, go. We go side, double, pump, single, double, press. Again, go single, double. Now 4 singles. 4, 3, 2, left side body. Single, double, pump. Single, double. One more time to that left. And push. Out and in. Give me 4, 3, 2. Last one. Go out and push. Elbow, toss it away. Elbow, toss it away. In. Give me 8 more counts. Go 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Side tap. Side. Push. Out. 4, 3, 2. Stay with me. Go high. Go low. Go high to low. In 4, 3, 2, side tap. Repeat it, directional change. Push, 4, 3, 2, hit it high. Go high, get it low. Go high to low. In 4, and 3, and 2. Last one, we go push, 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 and press. Go high, center, high, center, high. Reach out, one more. In 4, 3, 2, other way. Quick transition, push and push. I really want you pumping through this. Pump and pump and pump. 8 more counts like this. Go 8, 7, 6, in 5. You've got 4, 3, 2. Last one. All right, we are going to take all of those movements together. Coming up. In 4, 3, side step. Let's hit it. Side to side. Double. Pump it out. Side to side. Double pump. One more time to that right and out. Then you've got those 4 singles coming up. Go 4, go 3, and 2. Left side body, go left. Now get funky with those arms. Move it however you feel is good in your body. Out. One more left. Go left, go right. Double pump. 8 out. Give me single, single, and single. Push. Here we go. Elbow, elbow, toss it away. Elbow, push and reach. In and out. In. Give me 8 more counts. Go 8 and 7, 6, in 5, in 4, 3. Directional change. Come with me. Go out and push. Out and in. 4, 3, 2. Last one. Hit it high. Go low. Go high to low. In 4 and 3 and 2. Side step. Go push all the way. So really find that direction. Push. In 4, 3, 2. Again. Go high to low. Push. High to low. In 4 and 3 and 2. We've got that push. High, center, pump. High, center, low. In 4, 3, 2. Quick transition. Here we go. We go pump, push, push, press, up, up, reach it. Give me that energy right now. In 4, 3. Here we go. We go cross, cross, diagonal, pump. In, hit it out. Go 4 and 3 and 2. Last one. All right, take it from the top. And now really just get creative with those arms. To the right, let's move it. Go right, push, out, push, double pump. Push it out, again, go out, in, push, press. One more time to the right, and push, press, out. Go single, and single, single. Give me left. Here we go left. Push, out, push, double, pump it out, in, and reach. Double pump. One more time to that left side, left. Push, out, in, double, 4 singles. Go 4, go 3, and 2. Last one. Go elbow, toss it away. Elbow, hit it out. Go in, really strike it. Push, press, in, add some sassy hip. In, push, up and away. In, press. Go 4 and 3 and 2. Directional change. Go out, press, out, pump, out, push, reach. Go 4, go 3 and 2. Last one, we hit high, low, high, low, high, low. Push it out. Go 4 and 3 and 2. And here we go, left, left, pump, out, push and reach. Go 4 and 3 and 2. Last one, go high, low, push, move those hips. 4, 3, 2, take it, pump, push, energy. Blow it out. In 4, 3, quick press, transition. Go high, push, pump. Really hit against that imaginary wall. Go 4, go 3, and 2. Crossing arms right here. Go cross, cross, hit it, cross, cross, hit it out. Go 4, and 3, and 2. Last one right here. Go knee, knee, double pump. Knee, knee, double pump. Knee, knee, cross 6, 4, 3. Single, here we go. Single, cross, in, out, push it out. Go 4, and 3, and 2, and from here, we've got a shuffle to that right side. So I'm gonna bring you over to the left. Shuffle, coming up. Here we go. Shuffle it, shuffle. Go heel, tap, shuffle it. Take it here, tap, shuffle it. Take it here, tap, shuffle it out. Give me 8 more counts like this. Go 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. From here, take that heel drive. Now, are you ready to combine all of those movements? Yes, we are. We've got this. Now give me hips, right to left. Hips right to left. Push. Now we've got that side step. Come on, give it to me. Here we go. Go right, go left. Pump it out. Fierceness, let me see it. Push, press, side to side. Work it out. Go single, push and press, push it out, double pump. Really start to have fun with this. One more time, out and push, double. Give me that single. Let's move it, elbow, toss, in, out, in, push it away. Again, go 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last one. Side step, push, press, 4, 3, 2, hit it high to low, in 4, 3, 2, let's go. Push, press, out, and in, 4, 3, 2, last one. Take it high, take it low, take it high. We've got that pump. Coming up, hit it, pump it up, high, center, push, press, hit it out. Accent, go out, push, in, go 4, go 3, 2, swap it out, push, in, hit it, out, reach. You've got 4, and 3, and 2, cross body, pump it, cross, diagonal slaps, in, push it out, in, push, press, 4, 3, 2, give me that knee right here, knee, punch it out, knee, hit it out, again, knee, crunch, core is working, nice and hard here, single, push, in, pump that energy, down into the ground, 8 more counts, go 8, 7, 6, 5, you've got the shuffle coming up, go shuffle, push, give me that heel toe, shuffle, push, heel, toe, shuffle, push, heel, toe, shuffle, push, give me 4 more like this, guys, 4, press it out, reach, heel toe, 2 more, push, and out, and push, heel toe, give me that heel toe. All right, guys, awesome work. We're gonna cool that body down. 8 more, go 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last one. Hip, move, hip, press, out, and in, out. We go up, press it down. We take it up, and down, hip sway, hip, move it around, hip, move it again, take it right, sweep it, latch, and sweep it, deep breath, inhale, exhale out, and inhale, Exhale, 2 more, go in. Take it out. Last one. And breathe. Excellent work, guys.